On July the 1st, 2013, a rig move for the Perro Negro 6 went horribly wrong when it capsized and sank off the coast of Angola. This video shows what went wrong. The Perro Negro 6 was a self-elevating jack-up mobile offshore drilling unit, or MODU for short, owned and operated by the Italian company Saipem. A jack-up MODU moves from location to location to conduct drilling operations. The rig floats on the water and is towed into position by tugboats. Once on location, the legs of the rig are extended to the seabed to allow the whole rig to be lifted out of the water to the desired height. This point in the rig move operation is the most dangerous, because collapse of the soil on the seabed can lead to structural failure of the rig. Once the rig is jacked up to a sufficient air gap, the drilling derrick is then skidded out into position, often above a host fixed jacket installation, to allow drilling operations to commence. The Perro Negro 6 drilling rig was designed to the CJ46 X100D specification, built and constructed in the Lebroy shipyard located in Batam, Indonesia, and delivered to Saipem on October 2, 2009. The rig was of a modern design, capable of operating in 350 feet of water, and could drill to a depth of 30,000 feet on challenging high-pressure, high-temperature wells. On 1st of July 2013, the rig was on contract to the American company Chevron and was scheduled to drill a well offshore Angola, West Africa, near the mouth of the Congo River, in a water depth of approximately 40 metres or 131 feet. After arriving on location, the rig started to jack up, but it was at this point things started to go wrong. The seabed below one of the legs suddenly collapsed. The whole installation lurched to one side, damaging the hull, which started to take on water. The crew decided to evacuate the rig, but the jack-up continued to list as more and more water rushed into the hull. Eventually, the vessel lost all stability and capsized, plunging to the seabed. 103 crew members were on board at the time of the accident. 6 people received minor injuries, but tragically, one person, a Bulgarian national, was reported missing, presumed dead. It was never established how the worker was lost. Finally, in 2015, the wreck of the Perro Negro 6 was salvaged by Smith Salvage, bringing an end to the saga. I have other offshore-related disasters on my channel, including incidents where evacuation of rigs went horribly wrong. If you found this video interesting, please like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below on what other accidents you would like me to cover in future episodes. Thank you for watching and stay safe.